Hey, what's going on? This is your boy B. Welcome to another episode. I am super excited for this one. I'm going to show you how to rinse your beard with lemon juice for faster growth. With that said, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and share this, all right? Because this is going to be a great one. Let's get right into it. So let me talk about benefits first. Okay, then we're going to get into the ingredients you need. Then we're going to show you exactly how you can do it in that order. All right, so bear with me. So the first benefit of using this lemon beard rinse is that it's going to get rid of buildup. And this buildup comes from using product, and that's quite natural. It's going to happen, right? So this buildup will weigh down your beard and would have your beard looking dull. So you want to get rid of that buildup so it can free your beard. Benefit number 2 is that it's going to keep that dandruff, what they call it beard drift, right? You're gonna be able to free that from underneath your beard, so you ain't walking around looking like a flaky flake. You know what I'm talking about? And not only that, it's going to keep your skin healthy because of the pH. It's going to help with the lemon is the acidic of it is going to help with rebalancing your pH. And remember, our skin is more important, or I should say it should come first in line, then it's your beard. It's not your beard, then your skin. If your skin is healthy, your beard is happy. The third benefit is that it's going to help with closing your cuticles. And what that's going to do for you is that it's going to leave your beard shiny and smooth. And that's just going to help your beard be a lot, just more manageable. All right. And the fourth benefit is that it's going to help with promoting growth. How it's going to do that? Well, over time, when you're using this product, it has a buildup, and it builds up, layer after layer after layer, and it suffocates and your potential growth. So now that hair is buried underneath of just nothing but buildup, and it cannot grow. So a lot of you guys have a lot of potential, but you'll never see it because you got buildup that you need to get rid of. But don't worry, we're gonna get it right into the ingredients and get you on the right path. Now, the ingredients. You're gonna need 1 tablespoon of lemon. Sweet smell of lemon, nothing like it. All right, so 1 tablespoon of lemon. 1 cup of water. Then you mix it in here with the spray bottle, okay? All right, we're gonna allow this to sit in our beard for 2 to 3 minutes because we want the lemon is acidic, so we're gonna allow that to break down the product buildup. So after you've rinsed the lemon beard rinse from your face, then you want to go right into your nighttime routine, or at least this is my nighttime routine, so that's what I'm doing. I recommend doing this at night, but it's up to you. But I do my moisturizer, and then I do my beard oil, my serum. All right, that's my night routine. And from that point on, man, you pick it out. You're gonna comb the stash. Bada boom, bada bang. So let me just cover a few things because I know I'm gonna get some questions. Yes, I would recommend washing your beard before you do this. If this is your first time, okay, doing this lemon beard rinse, wash your beard twice, okay? Then do the lemon beard rinse, all right? And then get into your nighttime routine if you're doing this at nighttime, or if you're go into your morning routine if you're doing it in the morning, all right? Well, make sure you guys subscribe, share this, okay? Hit the thumbs up. Go and do it. Just go and do it. Come back. Leave a comment. Let me know how you like it. You know what I'm talking about? All right, so this is your boy B. Like always, we out of here. Talk about it.